Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys coupons to print from the coupons.com website, but I actually go through swagbucks.com. I go to stores and coupons and I click grocery coupons, and that is how I find coupons to print. But I get points for every coupon, and I pretty much save my points up to buy gift cards to use for Christmas or big events like Bath and Body Works, you know, semi-annual sale. But here I'm going to go through with you guys stuff or new coupons to print. Now a lot of these are all old ones, so we're just going to kind of go through it a little bit. Not as fast as you guys want, but a lot have reset, but they did add the all. I know there's some all coupons or all going on sale soon, so I'm just going to print that off. I'm also going to print off this Snuggle coupon. There's that one. They have a new product in there. We're going to print that one off just in case there's some deal going on. Huggies, $1. That's not the greatest coupon, but I'm just going to print it anyways just in case there's some deals that, you know, pop up. Scrubbing Bubbles, $1. Another Scrubbing Bubbles and Windex, 75 cents. I print those off because you never know when you're going to need them. So there's that. OxyClean, $1.50 off any two, 50 cents. Shout. We have $1.50 off Windex Outdoors. Scrubbing Bubbles, 50 cents for the toilet cleaner, which I'll print that one off. Drano, Zyrtec, here's 50 cents off of wipes. I love that coupon. So there's that. Pull-ups, $1. And then there's a free Pop-Tarts toaster pastry when you buy 3 other pastries. So there's that coupon. I'll print it off. I probably won't use it, but that is that. And then these are all older coupons. Again, nothing really popping out at me that are good value coupons. This Nature Valley, $1 off of 2. That's actually a pretty good coupon. I'm going to use that today at Walgreens. You can do the same deal at CVS, but I'm going to show you guys that. But other than that, those are the coupons to print. Hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.